Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Today we will solve new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 2 expansions and factorization of quadratic expressions. In review exercise chapter 2 question number 1 to 5. First of all, we will solve question number 1. In question number 1, expand each of the following expressions. First part 10a into 2a minus 7. 10a is multiplied by 2a and also minus 7. So we have 10 2s are 20, a multiplied by a square. 20 a square minus 10 sevens are 70 a. So answer is 20 a square minus 70 a. In second part, minus 3b into 7 minus 4b. Here, minus 3b is multiplied by 7 and also 4b. So, 7 threes are 21 minus 21b. Minus minus plus 3 fours are 12. b multiplied by b square minus 21b plus 12b square. Rearrange the values, so final answer is 12b square minus 21b. In third part, c minus 4 into c minus 11. C is multiplied by C minus 11. So we can write that C into C minus 11 and minus 4 into C minus 11. C multiplied by C square minus 11 multiplied by C 11C minus 4 multiplied by C minus 4C minus minus plus 11 fourths are 44. Here minus 11 and minus 4 is minus 15. So answer of C part is C square minus 15C plus 44. In D part, 3D minus 5 into 4 minus D. Here, 3D multiplied by 4 minus D and minus 5 is multiplied by 4 minus D. 3 fours are 12, so 12D minus 3 ones are 3, D multiplied by D square. So we write minus 3D square. 5 fours are 20, minus 20 and minus multiplied by minus plus 5 ones are 5d. So 12d minus 3d square minus 20 plus 5d. Now rearrange the values, then minus 3d square plus 12d plus 5d minus 20 plus 12 plus 5 plus 17. So answer is minus 3d square plus 17d minus 20. In next question, question number 2, expand and simplify each of the following expressions. In A part, 7 into 7f into 3f minus 4 plus 4f into 3 minus 2f. First of all, 7 threes are 21. So we write that 21f square minus 7 fours are 28f plus 3 fours are 12. So we write that 12f plus minus minus 4 twos are 8 f multiplied by f square. Now rearrange the values. We write that 21f square minus 8f square minus 22f plus 12. So 21 minus 8 is 13, then 13f square and minus 28 plus 12 minus 16, so minus 16f. The answer of A part is 13f square minus 16f. Now in B part, 6h square plus 2 plus 3 into h minus 1. So 2h multiplied by h minus 1 and 3 is multiplied by h minus 1. Now we have 6h square plus 2h into h minus 1 plus 3 into h minus 1. We have 6h square plus 2 on the 2h square minus 2 multiplied by 1 2h plus 3 ones are 3h minus 3 ones are 3. Now 6 plus 2 is 8. So answer is 8h square plus 3h minus 2h plus 1h plus 1h minus 3. So the answer of B part is 8h square plus h minus 3. In C part, we can see that 2k minus 1 into k minus 4 minus 3k into k minus 7. First of all, both terms are multiplying to each other. We can write that 2k into k minus 4 and minus 1 into k minus 4 minus 3 ones are 3 k multiplied by k square minus minus plus 3 sevens are 21 k. Now 2 multiplied by k 2k square minus 4 twos are 8k minus k plus minus minus plus 4 ones are 4 minus 3k square plus 21k. Now rearranging the term 2k square minus 3k square minus 8k minus k plus 21k plus 4 minus 3k plus 2k square. Answer is minus 1k square minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 21. 21 minus 9 is equal to plus 12. So plus 12k plus 4. So the answer of C part is minus k square plus 12k plus 4. In D part, m plus 2 into m plus 1 minus 3m plus 5 into 9 minus 5m. Here, two variables are multiplying to each other. We can write that m into m plus 1 plus 2 into m plus 1 minus square bracket 3m into 9 minus 5m plus 5 into 9 minus 5m square bracket close. Now the multiplying the term m multiplied by m square plus 1m plus 2m plus 2 ones are 2 minus square bracket 9 threes are 27m minus 5 threes are 15m square plus 9 fives are 45 plus minus minus 5 fives are 25m. Now opening the bracket, so before bracket is negative sign, all sign will be changed. Now we can write that m square 2m plus m 3m plus 2 minus 27 minus 25 plus 2 plus 2 plus minus 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 2 minus minus plus 15m square plus minus minus 45. Now rearrange the values m square plus 15m square plus 3m minus 2m minus 45 plus 2. 15m square plus 1m square is 16m square. Now plus 3m minus 2m is plus 1m. Minus 45 plus 2 minus 43. Now the final answer of D part 16m square plus m minus 43. Now in question number 3, factorize each of the following expressions completely. First of all, A part, A square plus 13A plus 36. Now 1 multiplied by 36, answer is 36. Now midterm breaking of 13 into 2 parts, multiply answer is 36, and when added the both terms, answer is 13. Here we have written that in the form of 13 into 2 parts, 4a plus 9a. We have a square plus 4a plus 9a plus 36. 9 4s are 36, or 9 plus 4 answer is 13. So we have a square plus 4a plus 9a plus 36. Then we have taking the common a into whole term, we have a into a plus 4 plus 9 into a plus 4. So we have the answer is a plus 4 into a plus 9. Now the first part answer is a plus 4 into a plus 9. In second part, b part, b square minus 15b plus 56. 56 ones are 56. Now the midterm breaking of 15 into 2 parts, when multiply, answer is 56, and when added, answer is 15. Now we have minus 7 and minus 8. Then minus 8 and minus 7. Answer is 15. 8 sevens are 56. Taking common in first two term b, then b into b minus 7. And next two term minus 8, then remaining answer is b minus 7. Both term b minus 7 and b minus 7 is common. So we have b minus 7 into b minus 8. Then we can solve the factorization of both process. Here we can see that 1 multiplied by 56 is equal to 56. Minus 7 and minus 8, answer is minus 15. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 8 is equal to plus 56. So the answer of B part minus 7, B minus 7 into B minus 8. Now in C part, we can see that C square plus 14C minus 51. First of all, 51 multiplied by 1, answer is 51. Now the midterm breaking of 51 into 2 parts. Then we have 1 multiplied by minus 51 is equal to minus 51. Midterm breaking of 14 into 2 parts, minus 3 plus 17. When minus 3 plus 17, answer is 14. And minus 3 multiplied by 17, answer is minus 51. Now taking the pairs of 14 into 2 parts, minus 3c plus 17c. Now we have c square minus 3c plus 17c minus 51. Taking the common c into first two terms, then c into c minus 3 plus taking the common 17 into next two terms, both terms are divisible by 17, so plus 17 into c minus 3. Here c minus 3 and c minus 3 is a common term. Now we have c minus 3 into c plus 17. In D part, we can see that d square minus 12d minus 45. First of all, 1 multiplied by minus 45, answer is minus 45. Now the midterm breaking of 12 into 2 parts. When multiplied, answer is minus 45, and when added, answer is minus 12. Now we have minus plus 3 minus 15, answer is equal to minus 12. And when 3 multiplied by minus 15, answer is minus 45. So we can midterm breaking of 12 into two parts. 3D minus 15D. 15 threes are 45 and 3 minus 15 answer is again minus 12. So we have d square plus 3d minus 15d minus 45. Taking the common into first two term d, then d is common, remaining term is d plus 3. Here both terms are divisible by 15, so minus 15 is common, minus 15 into d plus 3. Here d plus 3 into d plus 3 in common in both terms. So the answer of d part is d plus 3 into d minus 15. Now in question number 4, factorize each of the following expression completely. Here in A part 9f square plus 18f minus 16. First of all, midterm. Now the midterm breaking of 18 into two parts. So we have first of all 9 multiplied by minus 16. Answer is minus 44. Now taking the two parts of 18 into divided two parts, minus 6 plus 24. Minus 6 plus 24 answer is 18. Now minus 6 multiplied by 24 answer is minus 144. So 18 is divided into two parts. We can write that 9f square minus 6f plus 24f minus 16. First of all, taking the first two terms common, here 9 and 6 both are divisible by 3. So 3 and f is also common. So 3f into remaining term, 3 threes are 9f minus 3 twos are 6, f is also common. So answer is 3f into 3f minus 2. Last two digits is a divisible by 8. So taking the common 8, then remaining answer is 3f minus 2. Here 3f minus 2 and 3f minus 2 common in both terms. Then answer is 3f minus 2 into 3f plus 8. In next part, 3h square minus 19h minus 14. So we have 3 multiplied by minus 14 is equal to minus 42. Here we can divide it the 19 into two parts. When addition answer is 19 and multiplication answer is minus 42. Here minus 21 plus 2 answer is minus 19 and minus 21 multiplied by 2 answer is minus 42. So we can divide minus 19 into two parts, 3h square minus 21h plus 2h minus 14. Taking 3h common into first two term because 3 is divisible by the both term and h is also common, then 3h into h minus 7. And next two term is divisible by 2, so taking the common 2 into h minus 7. Then h minus 7 and h minus 7 are common in both terms, then h minus 7 into 3h plus 2. Now the next part in C part, 14k square plus 49k plus 21. First of all, midterm breaking. Now 14 multiplied by 21. Answer is 294. Now the midterm breaking of 49 into two parts. When added, answer is 49, and when multiplying, answer is 294. 7 plus 42, answer is 49, and 7 multiplied by 42, answer is 294. So we have 14k square plus 7k plus 42k plus 21. First of all, taking the common in 7k. because 7k is divisible by both terms. So 7k into 2k plus 1 plus 21 into 2k plus 1. K plus 1 is common into both terms. 2k plus 1 into 7k plus 21. In D part, we can see that 18m square minus 39m plus 18. First of all, 18 multiplied by 18, answer is 324. Now the midterm breaking of 39 into two parts, minus 27 and minus 12. Answer is Answer is minus 39 and minus 27 multiplied by minus 12. Answer is 324. So we have 18m square minus 27m minus 12m plus 18. First two terms are divisible by 9m, so 9m is common, then 2m minus 3 and next two terms is divisible by 6, so 6 into 2m minus 3. Then the final answer is 2m minus 3 into 9m minus 6. Now, in question number 5, factorize the following expression. Here, the given expression is 3x square minus 11 by 2x minus 5. Now, we can solve this expression. So, first of all, we can write the expression 3x square minus 11 by 2x minus 5. First of all, we can change into linear form, so we take the common 2 in all terms. So we have 1 upon 2, here 2 is multiplied, so the answer is 3 2s are 6, so 6x square minus 11x minus 5 2s are 10. So this equation change into linear form 1 upon 2 into 6x square minus 11x minus 10. Now the midterm breaking, then we have 6 multiplied by minus 10, answer is 60. So midterm breaking of 11 into 2 parts, when added, answer is minus 11 and when multiplied, answer is 60. So we have minus 15 plus 4, answer is minus 11 and minus 15 multiplied by 4, answer is 60. So 1 upon 2 into 6x square minus 15x plus 4x minus 10. First two terms are divisible by 3x, so taking the common, we have 1 upon 2 into 3x into 2x minus 5. And next two terms are also divisible by 2, so 2 is common, then 2 into 2x minus 5. Here 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 is also common. We have 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 5 into 3x plus 2. Then we have the final answer 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 5 into 3x plus 2. Take care, best of luck in next lesson with next video.